It is £38. So yeah, it's a lot of money. I'm not going to deny that. £38 for a foundation is a little bit ridiculous. And this is £9.99, so it's literally like almost 4 times cheaper. We'll see which one wins. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see today, I have a very special guest.
Hi.
And we are doing something pretty exciting today. I am going to be turning Emma into me. So, I mean, we just did this on Emma's channel and she turned herself into, no, she turned me into her, and it was very interesting. So if you guys want to see what I look like as Emma, and we looked spookily similar, like it was really weird.
I was going to say let's insert a picture, but no, you
have to go over and watch it. I will leave the channel link down below and the link to the video. Go and have a watch, and then obviously watch this video as well to see me transform Emma into myself.
I'm really nervous.
She's gonna be pale.
You gotta explain why we're doing this video.
Oh yeah, okay, the reason we're doing this is because basically last year, like a year to the date tomorrow, so like on Saturday it will be the 1 year anniversary. Yeah. We filmed a video where we swapped makeup bags and it was really funny, so we thought that we would just do like another video kind of like in celebration of that video.
Yeah.
I will also leave both of those videos linked down below in the description box if I remember. I'll try and also put them in the cards, one or the other. If I forget, I'm sorry, but if they're there, then they're there. So yeah, that's why we thought we'd do this video today, and yeah, let's see how it goes this time.
Let's beat this face.
Oh yeah, just like a little disclaimer, I'm not a makeup artist. Please forgive me if my skills are not as good as hers. Okay, so for my foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Superstay, which is what I have on right now. This is my everyday foundation, and obviously this is going to be 10 shades too light.
So wait, do an arm comparison.
And this is, my arms are tanned. Oh my gosh, I'm also kind of scared that I'm going to poke you in the eye.
With your nails.
Yep. I'm also trying to do it quite quick because we just spent like 2 hours
filming the last one.
Yeah. Because
I wear so much makeup, so when I put it on Soph, it takes as long as it takes me to get ready, which is like 2 hours.
And it's 10 past 10 in the evening.
I was meant to be at Tim's house 10 minutes ago. Was it satisfying?
Kind of, but my arm aches. Oh my god. It looks like I'm doing like Halloween face painting. Looking at myself now after just filming the video with Emma, I feel like I look weirdly pale. I need to wear a summer foundation colour because I am like a tiny bit tanned for myself, and I feel like this just makes me look extra pale. I'm just making Emma blend out her nose because I'm scared of her nose ring. But yeah, I also haven't put my lashes on. I'm going to put them on at the same time as Emma because I thought that would take extra time, and we need to film this pretty quickly. So I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair, which I think is the lightest shade that they do.
Fair, oh my god, I used to use Fair on clients.
Did you?
And I used to put it on them and be like, this is white concealer.
Yeah. That's mine.
In the last video, my eyes looked, my teeth.
Are you okay?
My teeth looked really, really yellow because my face looked white.
And also, oh my gosh, to be fair though, I gave you a really, really cool toned lipstick.
Oh my god, yeah, you did.
It was like
awful.
grey. It was awful.
You did me dirty.
Moving on to powder, I'm using my Rimmel Match Perfection, which to be honest isn't my favourite. I prefer the Maybelline one, but we can't get it in the UK, so I'm going to use this one because it's easier to find. And I'm just going to set like all over the face because that's what I normally do. I can feel it dropping off your face. Why did we choose to wear black t-shirts for this?
We were like, oh, let's wear something that we would both wear, which is true. We both would wear a like Maggie black t-shirt.
Oh gosh, okay.
Oh my god.
Feeling nice and matte?
I can't remember the last time I wore this much powder.
I literally have to put like 10 layers of powder. Okay, you look great, don't worry, you look really good.
Really good.
You look really good. I feel like I mentioned this in literally every video, but this is the Bleach London Contour Powder in Bones 4. It's just like really, really cool toned. I feel like you would never ever use something this cool toned, but you're me today, so you can deal with it. Wait, I feel like we should...
That's just my damn trust.
I don't know how to contour my own face, let alone someone else's. Your cheekbones are like really pronounced anyway though.
Why, thank you so much.
That way please. Okay, this one's not as easy as the other one. Oh, well, that's okay. I can't, like, everyone knows here that I can't contour, so I'm just going to do my contour how I would normally do it and not do it very well.
Do you not contour your nose at all?
No.
Oh my god, that is going to be really weird. I'm going to look like a different person. I need my nose contour.
I'm sorry. Okay, right, the bronzer that I've been using a lot recently is the MAC Extra Dimension Bronzing Powder in Golden Rinse. I absolutely love this because it looks really dark in the thing, but when you put it on, it's actually really sheer, so it's like really nice and buildable.
It looks glowy.
Yeah, it is glowy. It's got a bit of like dewiness to it. Sorry, I'm just like getting your hair all up.
It's cool, I need to wash it anyway. Get it all up in there. Oh no, my teeth already look so yellow.
Well, so do mine normally when I have like before I've put any lipstick on or anything, so.
But no, they don't look... No.
Well, I did just have them whitened at the dentist. So.
I look
sorry.
Dead. I just look dead.
It's okay, we're gonna liven you up with some blush. This is the L'Oreal Life's a Peach blush, which I absolutely love.
Does it smell nice?
It used to, but the smell's kind of faded. It used to smell really nicely of peaches, but I think because I've used it so much that the scent is kind of gone. Peachy! Okay, and then for highlighter, I'm using Ofra Star Island, which is, by the way, I forgot to say, this is like the exact same makeup that I'm wearing right now. I need more highlight. Why can't you see it? Oh my god, your eyebrows are going to be so difficult because they're so different to mine.
My eyebrows are so rubbish. You don't have to do much to your eyebrows.
I made a mistake.
I look so different.
I can't actually do this. Like, doing someone else's makeup is so difficult. Like, I applaud makeup artists. Oh god, that was a lot. I feel like I just gave you a Sula.
No, that's real. That's just me.
Okay, for my eyebrows, I'm going to use, my favourite combination at the moment is the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder in 3 and the 3D Brow Tones in 2. Oh, I thought I had this in 3. I've been lying to everyone on Instagram. So, like, I just use the lighter shade of this. I never normally touch the darker shade. Where's my berry brush? I was just saying that, like, where is it? Where is it? It's still not there.
Oh my god.
Where is it?
Have you still not found it? Is it in there?
I've got some, like, blonde brow gel to try and lighten your brows.
Do that. It's still way thinner than usual.
These are my brows, not yours. Oh god, now I've got... How do I do the other one? I don't get it.
Should I get it?
Yes, please.
Your hand looks so awkward.
Don't laugh at me, I'm not a professional. To be fair though, I think I did a better job this time than I did last time I did your eyebrows. Last time they were horrendous. Like, one was up here, one was down here. Like.
And you followed the shape of my eyebrow rather than making them like straight, which is what I do, because they're so rounded. And I hate that about my brows.
Oh, you're not going to enjoy these.
Oh no.
They're getting bigger and they're getting straighter after that comment. God, they still look awful.
Think of all the people. Think of all the girls who like message you like, could you come do my makeup?
I know, guys, I get so many messages on Instagram like, can you do my makeup for my birthday or for my prom or for my wedding? I'm like, guys, I don't do other people's makeup. Like, look at this.
I still think I look lovely.
Yeah. I'm just going to run a bit of the Urban Decay Brow Tamer in Taupe through your brows because this is quite light. So I feel like it might lighten them up a bit and make them more similar to mine. Oh, my leg is also gone numb again.
I'm in so much pain.
Okay, so I'm using my Extra Spice palette with Makeup Revolution, which is, like, I'm not even gonna lie, guys, this is what I wear, like, any time that I'm wearing eyeshadow. I hit pan today on the shade Cookie Dough. As you can probably tell, it's my favourite. Like, if I'm not gonna do anything to my eyes, or, like, just one colour, I would just throw that all over my eyes. So I'm gonna dip into Cookie Dough first, and kind of, well, I kind of focus it on the crease, but also blend it, like, all over my eyelid. And just like to state again, I'm not a professional makeup artist, so... Oh my god, all of my eyeshadow brushes are clean. This is literally like such a rare occasion. Ooh. Okay, and then what I did today is I took the shade Cheesecake. So I'm gonna take this shade here just on the same brush and put this on like the outer corner and also blend it through the crease as well. Oh no, I just got on my face. I should probably use a brush instead of my like 10-foot long fingernail.
To be honest, it's so dry, you could probably just brush it off and it's like...
I brushed it the wrong way. I'm supposed to brush it like off your face. I'm just like, yep, get it in that nose. I don't know if you guys noticed, but in a lot of my videos I do like a halo eye type thing. That's kind of like my favourite thing to do. If I had more time I would probably do like a cut crease halo eye, but we're not going to attempt that at 10:30 in the evening.
Anybody got time for that?
Okay, and then I'm going back in with my blending brush. You just looked at me like...
I'm sat like such a like slump. I'm literally like...
Okay, so I'm just taking my flat brush and I'm dipping into cheesecake again. And I'm just running this along my lower lash line, although a lot of people tell me not to do this because apparently I look like a raccoon.
Well, if you want to see someone look like a raccoon, go to my channel.
Okay, and then I'm taking a small pencil brush and the shade Everyday just to highlight the inner corner.
It's everyday, bro.
Oh god. Did I tell you guys? I didn't tell you guys. When I was at Summer in the City, we met Tessa Brooks like in the lift and she complimented my chicken nuggets.
Don't compliment my outfit,
We left the
compliment my
lift.
chicken nugget.
We left the lift and I was like, wait, I think that was someone that used to be in Team 10, and Emma was like, what? What's that?
I don't know anything about anything like that. Like, I am such a... I keep myself to myself. We were walking around Summer and City and Sarah was like, oh my god, that's that person. I'm like, I don't know who that is.
In the centre of the eyelid, I'm using this Revolution foil in the shade Rebound, and I normally just go in with my finger for this, but as I don't want to like actually take Emma's eye out with my fingernails, I'm going to use one of these like silicone brushes because I find that they work like really well with the foil, so... I know, like, because normal brushes don't really work that well with foil. Oh, that's so pretty. I mean, I've done it a bit less halo-y than I did on my own eyes, but you know what, let's just go with it because I'm not redoing this now. Oh my god, I really hope this is picking up on camera. It actually looks so nice. The colour, not my techniques. So I'm going to get Emma to put on some mascara, and I'm also going to stick lashes on. She's also going to stick on lashes, and my favourite ones that I wear a lot are the Backstage lashes in Soho, so I've got her a fresh pair of these that she's going to put on. I'm also going to put them on, and then we'll come back and do the lips, which is the final stage. Okay, so Emma's added her eyelashes, and they look so like natural on you. They literally look like your normal eyelashes.
Yeah, they look really small on me.
Yeah, it's because she's got the most insane eyelashes I've ever seen, like naturally. I also had to bronze her up a bit more because like I still feel like, I don't know, you just look ill. I'm gonna use, where is it? Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin, which I feel like you guys will know if you follow me on Instagram. I literally wear this every single day. This is actually almost empty. I'm gonna have to buy a new one.
Are you not gonna line my lips?
Huh? No. I don't line my lips.
Okay. My lips are gonna be so small.
No, I kind of overline them with my lipstick.
Okay.
Stop!
I was trying really hard.
Why are you laughing?
I don't know, I can't. I felt that.
It's okay, I'm just gonna make them really big.
Okay.
I'm trying to make them into my lip shape. I have a weird wonky lip shape, so that's why they're wonky. Definitely. Oh my god! That's a big bottom lip. Wait, I need to turn off the autofocus because it's really annoying.
It's not that bad.
Oh god.
Oh shit, saved my life.
Thank you. Whenever I'm filming, I like tuck my hair behind my ears.
And behind your back.
And like have it behind my back, or I have like one side down. Ooh.
I look like I'm melting. I look like I'm melting. Put it on the screen. You look so scary. That's horrible. Wait, I need to show them. It's so ugly.
Okay guys, this is the outcome of turning Emma into me. She's got one ear tucked behind and one hair strand down. I don't think I just spoke an English sentence.
One hair strand down.
But this is how it turned out. I feel like when Emma did my makeup to make me look like her, I looked so much better. I think it's because when you add like tanned foundation onto my face, it looks normal. But when I try and add pale foundation on you, it just makes you look ill because it just looks like ashy and just not okay. So
You're saying I don't look nice.
I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry I ruined your face. It's so much more matte and so much lighter than what you're used to.
Yeah,
so
I think the matteness also really looks weird on me now. Like, I'm so used to wearing such a dewy foundation that like I can get away with it being like a slightly different colour because it's sheer, whereas this it's like, hello!
But anyway, yeah, make sure you head over to Emma's channel and check out the video we did over there and subscribe while you're over there. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Bye!